How to remove users from Airtable. So you should be able to do this on a specific workspace. So go ahead to the dashboard after you've logged into your account, and once you're in your workspace, find the uh, project or the workspace your team is working on and the one you want to remove a user. You'll be able to find the users here in the share button, so press and share, and you will see the people with access. In our case, only I have access, but as long as you are the creator or the owner of this workplace, you should be able to control who is part of the workplace itself and the other members. So you should be able to control and to remove these members or to remove those users. But as long as you're here and you are owner, you'll be able to do that. So that's pretty much how you get rid or remove users from your Airtable. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.